What's up everybody? My name is Christian, I'm a self-taught knife maker, and this is Flood Street Knives, my little corner of the world where I make handmade knives in my shop. Let me show you around. I got into knife making like a lot of us do, through just curiosity, YouTube, and the feeling of, oh, I can do that. I got a sheep's foot knife kit from the Alex Steel Co. shop. I did this in my shed with a hand file and a little torch, and it was the best time I've ever had. Since then, I could not stop thinking about trying to make knives. I learned from YouTube, guys like Alex Steel, Simple Little Life, Knife Still Nerds. I'm not a master blacksmith. I'm a guy that puts everything he has into every blade he makes. My knives start out as flat stock that I get from Alpha Knife Supply. I use an angle grinder to profile them out, and then from there, I clean it up and put bevels on it with the angle grinder. After heat treat and temper, I take it over to my workstation, I get some hand sanding and polishing done. I use G10, micarta, wood, and leather for the handles. Every part is shaped by hand. Then I sharpen them to a working edge, test them out, and build them a custom fit sheath. From start to finish, it's all done right here. No shortcuts, no outsourcing, just me and my steel. Thank you so much for checking out my little corner of the world. I hope you watch my next video. Until then, I've got knives to make. This is how well editing is going. What do I have written down for this? That led me to read books from Bob Ross. Bob Ross! That's good. Relax it right there when I scratch a blade.